There are rumors that the semester fee might be increased, and I got the question quite often recently whether these rumors are true. The semester fees in Germany are known to be very low. Last semester, so in the summer term 2023, I had to pay only about 152 euros, but that might change now. Up until now, the semester fee has been a combination of two parts. The student union fee, which goes to the student union and in return they provide affordable accommodation and also the food that you get on campus for little money. The other part was the basic fee for the semester ticket, which enabled you to use public transportation in Munich in the evening and on weekends simply with your student card. Both made totally sense so far, but since there will be a Student Germany ticket that allows students to use regional public transportation within Germany for only 29 euros per month, the basic fee for the semester does not have to be paid anymore. This would lead to a reduced semester fee of about 85 euros right now. However, there are rumors that a higher semester fee will be introduced. I first heard of them in my Discord group, so if you want to be up to date and help others as well, join the Discord. Link is in the description. In 2023, the Higher Innovation Act entered into force. According to this act, there is now a fee collection option for activities financed by the state. In particular, the education of German and EU students, the universities may not exercise this right. This means for students within the EU, they cannot charge higher fees. However, this act opens up the possibility of charging fees for non-EU foreigners. According to a program manager of TUM, there are plans to introduce tuition fees for non-EU students at TUM, but the plans are not finalized and no detailed information can be provided right now. On Reddit, I found information stating that the semester fee would be introduced and could be between 2,000 to 3,000 euros per semester per bachelor's degree and 4,000 to 6,000 per semester for master degrees. Another source said it could be between 2,000 to 4,000 for bachelor's and 3,000 to 6,000 per semester for master degrees, depending on the program. These two sources vary, but both of them say that there is gonna be a fee and the fee is much higher than before. It was said that students that are currently enrolled are not affected as long as they would not switch their degree programs. The money would be supposed to be used for the improvement of teaching and services relevant to international students. Also, there was some information that there would be a scholarship for particular excellent applicants or students and those with particular difficult social backgrounds. So it seems like there would be some changes coming. I don't know what to think of these changes. I don't know how the changes will exactly look like. We just have to wait until something is officially made public. You can always find the current official information about fees at TUM by clicking on the link in the video description. I hope this was helpful. See you in the next one.